This video shows how to download and update software with a USB drive on the Converge oven with Deluxe control. You will need a computer with a USB port and internet access. You will need a USB drive with the updated software. To download the latest software version, please visit the Software Downloads page on the Alto-Shaam website. Once downloaded, unpack the zip file so the files you need for the update are on the root level of the USB drive, shown here. Updating the software consists of 3 steps: updating the back-end software, the front-end software, and the control board software. To update the software, do the following. Touch the menu icon. The menu screen displays. Touch the settings icon. The general settings screen displays. Plug the USB drive into the port. Scroll to System Backup and Update. Touch the Update System Software setting. First, we'll update the backend software. Touch Update Backend Software to update the supporting software between the control board and the interface board. Touch the check mark when the update is complete to restart the oven. Do not remove the USB drive during the update process. Once the oven has restarted, touch the menu icon again. Touch the settings icon. Scroll to System Backup and Update. Next, we'll update the front-end software. Touch the Update System Software setting. Touch Update Front-end Software to update the user interface software. Touch the check mark when the update is complete to restart the oven. Once the oven has restarted, touch the menu icon again. Touch the settings icon. Scroll to System Backup and Update. Touch the Update System Software setting. Finally, we'll update the control board software. Touch Update Control Board to update the control board. The oven verifies the file and then updates the CB. Touch the check mark when the update is complete. If the software version remains the same, no restart is required. Remove the USB drive. The software has now been updated. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.